Good morning, everybody. Good afternoon, everybody. This depends where you are actually watching this video. Today, I'm going to talk about my what I did for my Sinatra portfolio project as a student of Flatiron School, also taking the course of software engineering. So, let's dive into it. So, this is my code editor already clone the application inside added to my workspace. As you can see, this is the basic file structure of my applications. I've put a README, you have the rig file, a license, a gem file, the config file, the public, where you have your static images, and you have the I didn't have any JavaScript, so you have the CSS. All right, so you have you have the layout, the index, you have the views of the client, the comments, and the reservation, the models, and you have the controllers. All right. So, ladies and gentlemen, let's talk about what what I did for this project. So, as you can see in the README, HT stands for Haiti or Great Hotel. I don't know. Is a web application designed to help users or clients to make complete reservations in order for them to enjoy their vacation. The client or users will have the ability to create, view, update, and delete their reservation and their comments about the hotel. Why the comments? You will see why I chose to why I'm interested about the comments of the clients when I start everything. So yes, I've talked about the installation set and the setup. I've talked about the usage. This is an open repository, so anybody can contribute, can fork and contribute to it. So all right, so this is you as you see, this is the same file structure that I have locally in my machine. So now let's talk about the basic concepts behind the basic concepts behind my project. But I'm going to show you a little bit of code. As you can see here, this is the models, the models, the models where I have a client models, a comment models, and a reservation models. For the separation of concern, you have to build a class for each part of of the functionality that you want to implement inside your application. I know this is a basic core application, a basic content management system, which which was built in the idea to help a standard hotel to manage their clients and the clients specifically the reservation the reservations and the comments of their clients. So as you can see inside the models, the models are used to map the tables inside the database. As you can see, a client. This is where I establish the relationship between the models and in the models. A client has many reservations. A client has also many comments. In the comments, as you can see, I will just show you this. This is the controller. Sorry, a comment in the comments belongs to a client. This is the same for the reservation. All right, belongs to a client. Now I'm gonna open this application. So as you can see, I'm inside the on the side in the terminal. I'm inside the file project Sinatra project. So I'm going to do shotgun. All right. Here I'm going to show you. I'm showing you minimal, not 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 a minimal code. Do you gotta we gotta test this application together. the application together. This is the purpose of this walkthrough. And through the magic of time, the application is open. Now, as you can see, this is my the root of my application. Uh, as you can see, I've implemented a very nice view here. I use what I did. I with the course that I was taking that I'm currently taking on Udemy about HTML and CSS and modern CSS. It's a very project based course. So this is so what I did, I took the static files, the static HTML, CSS, this static template, and I implemented and I used it, and I implemented the views of our application. So, as you can see, this is a nav bar here. The nav bar, you have the home and the HT. The HT in the home, those buttons will always try to send you to this route. All right. You have the about and you have the login. So this is you can do it when you build an application. You can choose to do it how you want. You can choose to immediately you are in the root. You can choose to put the login on the sign up situation, but I chose a different approach because I want a potential clients to have the ability to take a look about the what the services of what the hotel is actually giving. So in a perfect in a more complete application, those would have been buttons that would show eventually show the fitness facility of the hotel, and this will show the restaurant and the meals, and this will give the client the idea about the location, and it show the all the facility. But we didn't implemented this. This is the a footer. But now, um, those two buttons, the about and the read more, you, this is, so I'm gonna click the read more. The about and the read more will get you to this view. So the idea behind this view is that when the client want to know more about the hotel, he'll will have this section right here that will show the basic history about the hotel. You can talk about the owners and stuff like that. And this section is very interesting. Why? Because here you will have the feedbacks of the clients, and you if you have and normally you will have also their pictures. So and you will have the feedbacks of the clients that have used the services of the hotel. This is very important because I think that we as a clients we would like to have a very a good amount of feedbacks about the product we will or services we will need to buy to get. All right. So there we will I didn't have the this is the part that um this right here, this is the comments that I've create by in the way and testing the application. This is the comment that with the new users. Those comments were static, all right, but those comments were added dynamically by the client, the new clients that have made new comments. So every time that a client put a new client put um, a comment, it will end this view and this in this section in this about view or about page. You the the comments will be added here. This is this I think that this is very interesting for the hotel in itself. Now we're gonna actually open the application. So as you can see, I've already saved my password here, but I can choose to log. If you see that the authentication and the user the user authentication in the ability for a user to log inside and see and watch his content is it's fully functional. So ah look what I found here. I didn't had this behavior last night. Something has changed. But anyway, so this was supposed to be right here. So as you can see, I can edit, delete, and add new reservation. I can choose to delete this reservation, and your reservation has been deleted. This is the message, and I can choose to delete a comment. Okay, so this is my first name and my last name. So all right. So now I can choose if I go in the about. I'm still logged, and as you can see, the login is not here anymore. This is the a logout. I render this magic was implemented with the with some logic that I put into the nav board inside the layout. As you can see, I don't have and Alexandro don't have any comments because I delete the comments that I made. If I go to the home, I will not be redirect to the root. I will be redirect to the view or to the view of the user of the user where the user can see their accounts. So I can do another reservation. Okay, so now I can choose what month. December 31 2050. I will choose to do, let's say, 30 days. I want a normal room for one person, and I want a medium bed, size bed, and I'm submit. I'm going to submit, and now the reservation has been added. This is the magic of Flash, and yes. So as you can see, I have a reservation. I can make another reservation. This time I want it on the 11 to I want 2022. So I will do 40 days. I want this 2% large bed. There you go. So I have two reservation right there. So I can have a comment. So the form of the comment is pretty simple. Hey, this is wonderful. Submit. There you go, ladies and gentlemen. So I've made a comment. If you go here, you will see that my comment was added to the list of comments right here. So, all right. So I can choose to log out at this point. Now, if I'm log out, now I can choose to log in. Let's see another person that is already logged in. I logged them with the username. Itachi is the password. Now I will be in the account of Sasuke Uchiwa. No, I don't want. Never. So this is the reservation of Sasuke. Sasuke is already logged in, as you can see. He can edit, delete, add new reservation, add new comment. So I'm gonna go out. Now I'm gonna sign up. I don't have any account right here. So if I choose to put the wrong username, just like that, and I try to log. See, it redirect me with the inside the sign up because I don't have this account. So I'm gonna put a new person, video Krillin Vidley Vidley. For some reason I chose Vidley VC at gmail.com. 1 2 3 4. Those I didn't implement any action on those buttons, but the idea, if I have already an account, I can choose to log here. So sign up, and video Krillin is have an account, a new account. As you can see, I have room now to add a reservation and to add a comment. So I will add a comment. Hello Moto, sorry for the noise. Somebody is doing something. Hello Moto, and now this is the I can make a reservation. The process is very long. I know. I can go to right here. 12 days, 11 suits, two-person, two-person. I want a large bedroom. And this is it, everybody, ladies and gentlemen. This is how everything. This is the basic, the very basic of my application. And here, as you can see, I can put the picture and and in a much better way. I would have created a login a client section, where the client can actually log his photo and log his photo and add additional information about themselves if they want to. So this is when the client actually put his photo, the photo will be rendered here automatically when they add a comment, and this and you can see the photo will have be rendered dynamically also here in this page. So I'm going to log out. So when I'm log about, you can see even though if I'm log out, the comments are still here. So that's it. This is my application. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I'm very grateful just being able to do this video. I'm very proud of my little project. I know it's not very it has many flaws, but it works. I've implemented a basic a very basic content management system, and I'm very proud of my achievements. Thank you. Thank you very much.